Well, as a teenager, like every teenager, I think I mentioned this as well. I mocked my grandfather at times. What you read in this newspaper for? Uh, when I was in college, I actually took a course, a semester of Yiddish. But it was in the days when it wasn't a full-fledged program, but there was a Yiddish course because my minor was Jewish history. Uh, I think coming to the book center has really given me this amazing appreciation what Aaron Lansky has done in terms of, because I think of the books that would have disappeared. Obviously, there were books that would have remained, but the books that would have disappeared, and the works and the culture, and so there's this love of Yiddish that I have developed in the past few years.